This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for Saturday, November 23rd of 2013. Well, for the last few days we've been talking about the time frame of today and tonight, and this graphic right here will pretty much wrap up everything. Most of our hazardous weather will be confined into the today and tonight time frame. Obviously, it's cold out there, and lake effect snows have kicked in already with the passage of a pretty potent cold front last night. We can see in the upper left-hand map right there, it's the snowfall accumulations for today through tomorrow. And we are focusing on a particular area across northwest lower Michigan in those yellows and oranges right there, where there could be as much as 8 to maybe even up to a foot of snow over the next 48 hours. Lesser amounts on either side of that band of heavy snow, including Gaylord and much of Charlevoix County, where we're looking more in the lines of 5 to 8 inches of snow over that time frame. And even up there in western portions of Chippewa and into Mackinac County, again, significant snowfall up there, possible with 8 to maybe 11 inches of snow over the next 2 days. So a pretty good shot at our first really good accumulating snowfall. Now that snow is also going to be combined with some pretty gusty northwest winds that have already kicked in across eastern upper and northwest lower. And that's going to result in periods of poor visibility as well. All in all, snow-covered roads and hazardous driving conditions are the main impacts. We're also having temperatures falling through the teens by early evening, with wind chill values dropping to near 0 degrees at times. So quite the winter scenario out there finally across northern Michigan. And you can see in the lower right-hand section there, based on that snowfall, the lake effect snow advisories are in the lighter blue colors, and in that darker blue-green colors where we have lake effect snow warnings. And that's in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And this is just summarizing all the hazardous weather highlights. Again, we talked about the accumulating lake effect snow and blowing snow. That's for today and tonight. But we also have gale force winds out there today and tonight. And also, again, they're probably going to develop Sunday night into Monday evening, resulting in the hazardous marine conditions out there. And we also have additional chances for lake effect snow, and it's really difficult to discern if any of these particular chances are significant or not. There's a lot of uncertainty in the data that we're looking at. But again, for eastern upper northwest lower Michigan at various times through this Thanksgiving holiday week, and of course with any kind of snow, the slick roads and hazardous driving conditions will be the main impact. So that wraps up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.